Hi guys, this is Shobna Janakiraman. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to see the current COVID-19 situation in India as in so many states they have announced night curfew due to the soaring cases in single day. So let's get into the video. So guys, you know the COVID-19 is nothing but a pandemic that started in Wuhan, China on March 2020, and still it is being in existence, and it has spread worldwide, and the death tolls are still increasing and the cases are also soaring worldwide, and India ranks the second in the list after US. So the impact in India is increasing day by day, so let's see the statistics about it. So there are 91 lakh people affected, and you can see 1 lakh 33,000 death tolls has taken place. And when you see the graph, you see the September is the month that has been the worst in India, and it has come down slightly, but in November the cases are in like increasing inclination. So you see in certain states there are cases rising, so thereby as of in Friday 24 hours the case have been increasing, and certain states have announced a night curfew. So why night curfew? Because they need permission from the union ministry to announce a lockdown. So they need a permission from central government so that lockdown can be implemented. So since there is no permission and they want to prevent such cases rising, they have provided a night curfew. So let's see which are the states that are affected badly, which are soaring in cases, and let's see what are the steps that they have taken. So first in our list is Madhya Pradesh. So when you see Madhya Pradesh, 5 districts have been affected by soaring cases, and the rising cases are in 24-hour timeline. So the 5 districts that are affected in Madhya Pradesh overall are Bhopal, Indore, Gwalior, Ratlam and Vidisha. So overall in Madhya Pradesh on Friday there were 1,500 cases, new 1,500 cases in 24-hour timeline. So thereby the Madhya Pradesh government has announced a night curfew to reduce those cases or to make it a preventive measure so that it doesn't go above a spike above. So they have given a night curfew between 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. There would not be any human activity, any commercial activity. So they have given only essential services and such as pharmacies and transportation of goods are only allowed during that period of time. So and they have also announced that the schools will be closed for up till class 10, up till class 8, sorry, till December 31st. So the night curfew on Madhya Pradesh is 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. So the next state we are going to see is Gujarat. So Gujarat is also has announced a night curfew, and the Ahmedabad in Gujarat is the most affected district in Gujarat, and it has announced a 57 hours curfew for Ahmedabad because the cases are soaring and there is a third wave of COVID-19 infection going on in the Ahmedabad district. And also it has announced a night curfew in other districts such as Surat, Rajkot and Vadodara from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. So from 9 p.m. The essential services and other commercial activities would be closed. So why Gujarat has announced a night curfew? Because yesterday, that is Saturday, there were 1,340 new cases in 47 days timeline. So and that accounts to 1,94,402 total cases in Gujarat, giving you 3,837 death toll. And thereby they have announced a night curfew so that they could restrict the numbers from spiking. So next in our list is Rajasthan. So Rajasthan has also announced a night curfew because there are 8 districts that are totally affected in corona, and they have also given another announcement that there will be rupees 500 fine for persons who are not wearing a mask, so that they could have a precautionary measure, preventive measure from COVID-19 from spreading. So, and they have also given a curfew where from 7 p.m. All the restaurants, malls and commercial activities would have to come to an end, should shut down, and so restaurants, malls and all the other commercial institutions should come to an end by 7 p.m. and before 7 p.m. So why did Rajasthan put a night curfew? Because a single day hike in their cases was 3,007 cases, and this was on Saturday. So, and it accounts to a total of 2,40,676 cases in total from Rajasthan. So these are the 3 states which have announced night curfew in India. But still, the cases actually, if you see in the list, Maharashtra is in the top, Karnataka the second, Andhra Pradesh the third, and Tamil Nadu the fourth. So when you see Maharashtra, they have these 4 states have not provided any night curfew, but Maharashtra has given some restrictions. We'll see now, because Maharashtra has actually announced that from 23rd November school must reopen. But after the cases are soaring, Maharashtra has told that, the government has told that the school should be shut down till 31st December. So next thing is Delhi. So Delhi, there's also huge spike in the corona cases. So they have announced that there would be rupees 2,000 fine for people who are not wearing mask and roaming around in the streets, and they have announced that there will only be 50 guests in any wedding ceremonies or any ceremonies that are taking place in Delhi. So as you see, Tamil Nadu is also in the top 4, but they have not provided any precautionary measures. The government has not said any curfews or anything. So let's see. It's also, these cases are spiking, as you see. As you see, the cases are spiking, but the government have not told any curfew, has not mentioned any fine. So let's see whether the government have taken any measures. So as the cases are spiking in the November month all over the state, single day cases are spiking across India. So let's see whether another lockdown will be announced or not, because as the cases spike, as malls and everything are opening, as the people are coming out, there is a highest percentage that the cases, the COVID virus would spread, and the cases would soar. So let's see whether the government will provide a lockdown or not as this case is. So let's wait and see whether there is going to be any other lockdown again. So until then, be safe, be at your home, stay safe, use sanitizers, use a mask whenever you go out. So thank you. So if you like this video, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up button, and also if you have any comments to share, please drop it in the comments box. And if you want me to talk about any other topic, please also mention that in the comment box. Thank you.